Good morning. It is just after 5 a.m. and I didn't sleep great last night, so not starting my day off great, but thought today that I could do behind the scenes, day in the life vlog, I guess. It's gonna be a weird one because it's technically a day off. I never really have days off, but I'm gonna do a couple of hours work in the morning for my business. And then for my second channel, I decided that I'm going to, this is weird. I decided that I'm going to record an entire album in 7 hours. So I'm gonna try and do it all in 7 hours consecutively, but it may just be like, I don't know, 3.5 hours today and 3.5 hours tomorrow. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. So that's what we're gonna do today, following that and seeing what the day ensues. So first is breakfast, coffee and PBJ bagels. I got myself a new toaster, which is what I opened the video with. So that's what we use to toast our bagels today. So good morning and welcome. For those of you who are new, my name is Chris, and I am converting this ex-U-Haul box truck into a work living space. And it's been 12 months. In a couple of weeks, it'll be 12 months since I actually moved into it, which is crazy. Follow along for a typical, atypical day and just some randomness. Gonna be random today, kids. Gonna be random. I've finished my work. I'm obviously dressed for my second channel and I'm just charging my USB guitar, ready to do this recording session. So the way I'm going to structure recording this album today is I'm going to do, and I break all this down on the second channel. This is going to be in multiple videos on the second channel, but you're just going to kind of watch a highlight reel of it. Is I am going to record an hour's worth of ideas on guitar at varying distortion levels. Then I'm going to go through those ideas and I'm going to sort of pick out the ones that kind of go together and group them. Then I'm going to flesh out those into individual tracks with drums and stuff. Then I'm going to go through and polish, just note timing and stuff like that. Then I'm going to mix, and then I'm going to do a track list. So I think that's all going to be today, but we'll find out at the end of it. So first thing is charging the guitar, getting the software set up and on and stuff, and just getting ready for it, really. I've never done anything like this, ever. And it could fail. So if you're watching this video, it meant that something happened that was interesting enough to release. May not be a success. It may still be a failure, but at least it's interesting to watch. I decided, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. This is such a dumb idea. This is what I do on my days off. Like, I was saying to someone the other day that I'm such a workaholic that in order to do the things that I enjoy that relax me, I have to trick myself into putting them as work. Like, I have to make it into work so that I can be forced to not do day job work. That's how I have to trick my brain. It's ridiculous. Hour 1 has been recorded. I'm not 100% sure whether I'm going to do everything today because I actually took a lot of brain power and I think I might need some like brain freedom in between. So I think what I'm going to do for hour 2, I'm definitely going to at least do hour 2 today, is I'm going to go through all the recordings of the ideas that I had and organize them into chunks of stuff, and then we'll see how I feel from there. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure on how it's going to turn out. There was some good stuff in there. There was some good like riffs that came out that I was like, okay, this is cool, but it's whether I can turn it into something in 45 minutes. That's the difference. So there's definitely not going to be any vocals on this album, but it has to be, intro, verse, and a chorus. So yeah. Okay, I'm just taking 5 minutes to switch my mind off for a second. As you can tell, I do find it difficult to just relax. And do nothing. I do find it difficult to do that, but I'm trying to get better at it. I usually end up finding something to do, whether it's something to tweak in the truck or finish, like the ceiling needs to be painted. There's a million things to do. So even now, I'm coming up with justifications for taking time off. I have a problem. I definitely have a problem. I'm ridiculous. I think I'm going to do this next hour of organizing my ideas and stuff. I'm going to order myself like a salad for lunch. Tomorrow I'm out of this place. I'm house sitting. So there's a bunch of stuff that I can't do tomorrow. So I think what I'm going to do is do the thing today. Tomorrow I'll house sit. And then the day after I will do the track recordings. Because that's basically 3.5 hours. And then the day after that, I will do the final polish and mixing. So yeah, I think spreading it over 3 days is probably a good idea rather than just going overkill today. Yeah, maybe that was a bit too ambitious. All right, lunch ordered. It's going to come in approximately an hour. I'm going to get this back on. And get to work. Alright, we have hour 2 of the 7-hour album is done. So I took the hour-long ideas track and I chopped it up. I took the 7 best ideas and put them into separate sets ready to turn into an individual track. So I now have 7 individual track ideas in a template ready to flesh out. So it's going to be interesting. I'm trying to figure out my vibe right now. I'm not sure whether I'm going to jump straight into it and start making those tracks, or if I'm going to take it easy, because it is a day off and it's pretty warm in here, to be honest with you. So I'm trying to figure out my vibe right now. I have the energy to do it, but I have a lot of work tomorrow, I think. So I don't know whether to just rest up or not. So I'm going to do nothing for 5 minutes. I'm going to go to the bathroom and then check the vibe when I come back. Clean my teeth, so I felt a little bit scuzzy. Got my AC on. And, you know, I think I'm going to crack on, at least with a couple of tracks. 45 minutes each, 5 minutes in between, maybe 10 minutes in between. It is like 3, it's 10 to 3 now. Be done for dinner. And then for the rest of the night, do nothing. Watch TV, don't think about anything. Yeah, I think that's maybe what I'm going to do. I've got a bit of a second wind, especially now the place is cooled down. So let's do that. Let's make an album. Ugh. Yikes. There you go. Tune in next time for track 2 in making an album in 7 hours. I'm gonna screw this up so badly. Alright, thank you for joining me. I'll catch you in the next one. We are done. I got 2 tracks into it and was like, fuck me. It's a lot of work. So, yeah. 2 tracks out of 7. That's good. I mean, it was an hour and a half of work, and it came out with some interesting results. And now I am gonna figure out dinner and start to relax. Tidy up and then start to relax. Whew. It's warm in here. It's definitely heating up again, that's for sure. Alright. Let's tidy up. Well, I completely just got knocked out. It is 11 o'clock and I am ready for bed. So, for now, thank you for joining me. Maybe it's the end of the video, maybe it's middle of the video. For now, I'm clocking out.